sleepy community of Green Mountain in Mile Gully, Manchester was angrily awakened Thursday after the actions of an alleged homosexual man. Residents became riled up when the man allegedly made statements which made them gravely concerned. The residents would have none of it.
We have young youths that come up, and what they want to do, I take them and put them in a different direction. When time we can bear the hunger and not stoop to a certain level, the younger youths them really can't do that. So that really start all of this.
But further developments too helped to compound an already bad situation.
In turn, women have breast sexy up like woman. Dropping clothes and show everything to them. We don't want that.
And as the story spread like wildfire throughout the community, the residents' annoyance spilled over and the 5 men and a vehicle belonging to them were barricaded. Under the watchful eyes of the curious onlookers for what seemed like an eternity, both residents and those blocked in waited for more police officers to arrive. The officers finally came and...
Let's go on to the stair, yeah? Let's stay back there, so come. Back there, sir. Right, we're in the mango tree.
The residents reluctantly complied and the additional policemen went to get the men from the house. Some residents were quick to point out that they have been tolerant with the practices of the men, but were not in agreement with recent utterances and behavior.
You see, if it's legal, them have to keep it in them house. But them can't come and try and take over our community, especially this community, Greenmount. We're not going to stand for it. We allow them to come from ever since and then pass through and we not disturb them. But now that them want to spread it in the community, we're going to take action.
The raucous applause of the residents as the men were allowed to go into their vehicle and escorted out of the community by the police signaled an end to the saga. Marjorie Gordon, CVM News.
To the way they love it when me give you make your eyes sore. You know it's Wicked Hype, and from it's Wicked Hype is the wickedest videos in the world. To all boys and girls, totally muckily.